Like all our new Notch products, the Catalyst Harness was built from the needs of professional arborists. As we dove deep into truly understanding the relationship between an arborist and their harness, it was clear to us right away that comfort was critical. After 3 years of prototyping, refining, and extensive field testing, we're excited to introduce the new Notch Catalyst Harness. Arborists are working in the canopy for hours at a time. Naturally, this puts a ton of strain on the body. It's why we're using EVA molded foam that contours to the body, allowing arborists to evenly distribute their weight and move into the right position confidently. Not only will this back padding provide more comfort, but we've also integrated ventilation channels within to ensure maximum breathability. The range of adjustability on the Catalyst allows for all body types to find the perfect fit. With multiple points of adjustment in the waist, rise, and leg loops, we're confident in the level of comfort and personalization this harness offers. Our field testers also love the multiple rated connection points, as well as molded gear loops, which allowed them to carry their gear with ease. We're super proud of the next generation Catalyst Harness and grateful for all the arborists who helped us make it possible. Learn more about the Catalyst Harness and all our new gear at notchequipment.com.